about me. I come from public housing, cocaine and violence. Violence, 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 violence. I got rid of niggas, now it ain't no pussies round. Walk around like I'm bulletproof. What's your guns? What's your guns? What's your guns? No roof. Yeah.